I'm Hrishikesh Kulkarni from Zimmer Automation. Very recently, we have opened up a manufacturing facility in Kikvi. We have built a 19,000 square feet manufacturing facility where we are going to build end-of-arm tool solutions. Now that we have built up a manufacturing facility, we have a lot of offerings wherein we can supply you reliable automation solutions ranging from grippers, clamping elements, damping elements, automatic tool changing units, and we'll help you build up automation solution or a ecosystem either comprising of a robotic solution or from a gantry solution. We will be participating in IMTEX 2025 and we expect to see you in IMTEX 2025, and we are looking forward for a great show because this is getting bigger and this is never like before a kind of an event wherein we will be showcasing a lot of our new innovative solutions which could help you build reliable and smart automation solutions.